Ever wondered how to perfectly frame your visuals for any platform or purpose within Gemini? Today, we're diving into how to precisely change the aspect ratio of your images and videos in Gemini, ensuring your content always looks its absolute best. First things first, let's get your media into Gemini. Simply click the Upload button and select the image or video file you wish to adjust. Once your media is loaded, you'll see editing options appear. Look for the icon or menu item related to aspect ratio or dimensions. This is where the magic happens. Click on this tool. A drop-down menu or a set of predefined aspect ratio options will appear. These are designed to cover most common use cases. You'll typically find options such as 169 for widescreen displays and videos, 11 for square social media posts, and 916 for vertical stories and reels. There might also be options like 43 for more traditional photographs. Choose the aspect ratio that best suits where your content will be displayed. For instance, choosing 11 will instantly adjust your image to a perfect square. Notice how Gemini intelligently crops it, keeping the most important elements in view. If the automatic crop isn't quite right, don't worry, you'll often have the ability to drag and reposition the selected area to fine-tune the composition. This ensures your subject remains perfectly centered or positioned as you intended. Selecting the correct aspect ratio is crucial. A widescreen image on a vertical platform will have awkward black bars, while a vertical image on a horizontal display will appear small and insignificant. Once you're happy with the aspect ratio and the crop, click the Apply or Save button. It's that simple. Now your image or video is perfectly formatted, ready to capture attention on any platform. Experiment with these options to elevate your creative workflow in Gemini.